everybody out there in Mathland. Today we are learning how to estimate quotients. I wanted to make a little video because it seems a little confusing, so I want to make sure you know what you're doing. We're doing two different things. We're going to learn how to estimate this quotient using compatible numbers, and then there's another exercise in your homework that makes you find the two numbers that your real quotient would be in between. So I'm going to teach you how to do both things. First, using compatible numbers. So right now, I would ask the students to put a little box around the 52. Now, if I know my multiples of 9, if I'm counting by 9, I know that I wouldn't get a 52. I would get closer to a 54 because 9 times 6 is 54. So I'm going to turn the 52 into a compatible number, which is 54. I'm going to turn that 7 into a 0 because after all, we are estimating. Now I'm going to divide by that 9, and it's way easier to find the answer because 54 divided by 9 is 6, and I just transfer that 0 over to my answer. That would be 60. Now to find the two numbers that the real quotient would be in between is kind of similar, but here's the trick that I taught the kids. If I'm dividing by 6, I am going to make a list of the multiples of 6. That would be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Now this 34 right here, we have to see where would that 34 fall inside this list. Well, it would fall in between 30 and 36. So I'm going to make a 30, and I'm going to turn these two into zeros. And I'm going to take a 36, and I'm going to turn once again those two into zeros. And now I'm going to divide them by that 6 using the compatible numbers. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and I transfer the two zeros over. And 36 divided by 6 is 6, and I transfer my two zeros over. So that means that the real quotient would exist somewhere between 500 and 600. I hope this video is helpful for when you're doing your homework. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.